Okay, Assalamualaikum. So we are going to continue the next phylum. Okay, so in the last video we already touched about Phylum Platyhelminthus. Okay, an animal phylum where the animal are known as coelomates. Okay, because they have no body cavities, even though they are made of 3 layers of tissue. Okay, alright. So in this video, we are going to continue with another phylum which we call as Phylum Nematoda. Alright, Phylum Nematoda, where this animal also made of 3 layers of tissue, okay, 3 problastic, but then they show false body cavity, or we call as pseudo-coelomate. Example of animal in this phylum, or this phylum of Nematoda, is known as nematodes. They are known as nematodes, or the example of the animal is the roundworm, ataupun bahasa Melayu kita panggil cacing gelang. Okay, alright. What are their characteristics? The first one, they have narrow bodies, cylindrical shape pointed at the end. You can see one end is cylindrical and the other end is pointed. Okay, so you can see from this picture itself that it is more advanced compared to Platyhelminthus, where it shows 2 openings. Okay, they have mouth and they have an anus. Okay, right. And the body still not showing segmentation, so unsegmented. Alright, they are tripoblastic. Okay, and showing pseudo-coelom. Okay, remember pseudo-coelom or pseudo-coelomate. What is the characteristic of the pseudo-coelom or pseudo-coelomates? Okay, they have cavity. The cavity is located between mesoderm and endoderm layer. Okay, so the pseudo-coelom is fluid filled, meaning that the cavity is filled with fluid, where this fluid acts as hydrostatic skeleton for the roundworm. And they are lacking of protonephridia, okay, not like Platyhelminthus. So how they do their excretory system? So the excretory system consists of one or more large gland opening by an excretory pore. You can see from this picture, there is an excretory pore. So this is where the roundworm or the nematodes do their excretion process. Okay, so next characteristic of nematodes are they do not have circulatory and respiratory system. Okay, meaning that they are not having definite or specific respiratory and circulatory system. So the body is covered with thick elastic cuticle. So that's why if let's say you pernah pegang cacing ni, dia macam keras-keras sikit lah, kenyal-kenyal. Okay, right. And they have long unbranched gut with mouth and anus. You can see this is the pharynx, right? So they have long unbranched gut, or dia punya digestive system with both mouth and also anus. Most are free living, but others are a type of parasite. Okay, they are type of parasitic. Example of nematode or roundworm is species of Ascaris species that infect pigs and also human, and they might be longer than 30 meter long. Okay, so you can see this is female nematode or female roundworm, and this is male roundworm. So they are not hermaphrodite. Okay, meaning that they have male and female. Okay, right. So you can see the female have ovary, uterus, okay, and the male got the testis and also the sperm duct. Okay. Okay, so this is the larger view of the roundworm nematode with the excretory pore. Are they showing cephalization? What do you think? Are they showing cephalization? Yes, they show cephalization because you can see the structure here, the nerve ring. So they show cephalization. Okay, all right. Okay, so the last part here. So since we have finished with 4 phylums, Phylum Porifera, Phylum Nidaria. Okay, there's something wrong here. Phylum Nidaria, Phylum Platyhelminthus, and Phylum Nematoda. And these are the representative animals. Okay, the sponges represent Porifera. The jellyfish represent the Nidaria. Okay, the flatworm, okay, representing Platyhelminthus, and roundworm for Nematoda. Okay, And you can see here there are a few characteristics to differentiate, and I really like you to do it, okay, and complete this table for your own good. Okay, so you can see from this picture the level of organization. Are they made of cells or are they made of tissue? And please specify how many layers of tissue. Either 2 layers, diploblastic, or tripoblastic. Okay, and then look at the body cavities. Either they are having body cavity, presence or absence body cavity, or if let's say they do have body cavities, so what kind of body cavity do they have? Either pseudocelomate or celomate. Okay, and then nervous system, okay, circulation, digestive system, and also reproduction. So I would like you to try this, and we will discuss together later. Okay, right. So that's all for the first 4 phylums in the animal kingdom. Thank you.